I am harvesting calamansi for our dipping sauce and also to make calamansi juice. Up here, and then even the ripe ones. I'll use the ripe ones for our calamansi juice. These are like huge calamansi. One second. Here's my calamansi harvest. And there's a hummingbird over there. I'll show you. For tonight's dinner, we're having pork belly, eggplant and okra, and then calamansi for the calamansi juice, and also for the dipping sauce, and also like salted eggs. I'll cook the pork belly here, so when it starts to splatter, I can just like cover. Not super healthy, but once in a while it should be fine. And then the eggplant on the other side, and then I'll boil the okra. Sea salt. I'm using sea salt on this one. I have here black truffle sea salt. Here's the pork belly. Pork and salt, they go very well together. They always taste delicious. Like in Korean barbecue, they have that pork belly, and then with the oil and salt dipping sauce. It's always yummy. Then I'll slice the eggplant so I could like start cooking too, and then the okra. I'm going to boil the okra. I have the first batch of eggplant here. Eggplant needs a lot of oil. And then I have another batch. And I have the banana leaves here. So I will like serve this on top of banana leaves. And then just boiling the okra here. Now I will, I need something here. I will prepare there you go, the calamansi juice. So I slice them already. I just need to squeeze them. Here's our calamansi juice. I used sugar in the raw, or turbinado sugar. And then I'll prepare the salted eggs. Let's put the eggplant here. Here's our dinner. We have okra, pork belly, eggplant, and salted eggs with tomatoes. I'm baking some cookies, and our cookies are ready. Josh, are you excited to eat the cookies?
Yes.
There you go. We're having tea. Raspberry and blackberry for me and the husband. And Josh is having mango tea. And his is like cold with ice. And we're having and then the cookies, the chocolate chip cookies that we baked. Also, I'll show you our Easter tree. It has some flowers. I think they died already. Flowers and some leaves. Yeah, these ones. Look at the leaves are growing here. Growing with some flowers too. Happy Easter. Snack time, guys.
Come on, Josh. Let's go.
Let's go! Yippee!
Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Let's go! It's windy outside. Look at the flowers. Going to Shanghai Rose up there. We're here at Shanghai Rose waiting for our friends. Here is the menu. They have dim sum. That's chef special like starters, soups, seafood, meat, and then vegetable, chicken, chef specials, and then the rice noodles, banana, alcoholic drinks, and then the dim sum, steamed. Josh favorite.
Which one? Yes.
Big barbecue pork buns. My favorite is, one second. I like the vegetables, but vegetables at home. I like the rice wrap, the matcha. And I also like the spare ribs in black bean sauce. I like that one too.
Ice jasmine green tea.
On the shrimp rice noodles.
Iced tea. Lemonade.
You have the rice and the noodles and then the soup.
Great. So,
And then fish and black bean sauce.
yang chow fried rice. What's it called?
Guys, look here. Tita Leslie, baby, JD.
Hello. That's on video.
You want a video? Or yeah?
Oh, the video. Wait. Yeah.
Huh? Let me know when you're ready.
The chocolate for the chocolate fountain. It's super smooth. I'm cutting the banana for the chocolate fountain. They always like to mix
nawala ng
something.
sushi.
Yeah.
El Cachimbon.
Kachimbon Salvadorian place. Chutamas Thai cuisine. We're going to this place.
Dito
Jasmine Thai
na ayoko
cuisine.
sa harap ng liquor.
Yeah. We're here at yung Naad. They have a lot of stuff. I think it's the same menu. This is the seafood hormok or something. And then the
Hormok.
beef curry. Huh?
Hormok.
Seafood hormok. Seafood hormok. And then the beef curry. And then the perfume. We're here at Chutamash in Northridge. We're here at Naad in Northridge. How's the food, Daddy? How's the food, Daddy?
Excellent.